Tonight we're going to be making some buffalo chicken tacos and burritos. So we're going to have these. We're going to have this chicken. I'm going to cook it up for you, and we're going to make it. We got Cheetos to put in the burritos or the tacos. So let's go ahead and get started, okay? I'm gonna take this chicken. I'm gonna add some adobo. It's like a little garlic salt to it. Add that in there. And then I'm going to add some Frank's Red Hot seasoning blend. Alright, so this has a nice buffalo flavor because we have Red Hot. My sauce I always make with, if it's buffalo sauce, I always make it with Frank's Red Hot. So let's go in there. And then we're going to add some smoky flavor to it. So we're going to add some smoked paprika. Okay, go. And we're going to add some smoked chipotle powder. And then we're going to add a little ancho chili powder in there too. So let's go ahead and add that. Alright, good. So there you go. I move all this stuff out. And we're gonna mix it all up. Alright, while I'm mixing this, I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying my pans with this butter flavored spray. And I actually have real butter too, so let's go ahead and get this started. Alright, that's about 4 tablespoons of butter. I'll go ahead and melt that butter now. Stir up my chicken. Wait for this pan to get nice and hot so I can add it to the pan. So this is pretty simple. This is the chicken. We fry it all up. We throw in our Red Hot, or this is our. You could use just Red Hot wing sauce, buffalo style, but this is actually homemade wing sauce, and you can go on my YouTube video for how I make my homemade wing sauce. But that's okay. You can use any wing sauce you want. We're gonna add a little. We're gonna add a little honey to this. Once we get the wing sauce and we get the chicken all cooked, we're gonna put a little honey on top. So I'll go ahead and put this here. Alright, that looks good. See how that's sizzling up real good? So go ahead and we can dump our chicken on top. That's ready to go in there. Now, this is grilled chicken. This is usually how you get a chicken burrito or chicken tacos or chicken wrap up here. But you can also get yourself some popcorn chicken, frozen popcorn chicken, or you can fry your own popcorn chicken, stick in the oven, and you could use for your burritos. You can use the breaded popcorn chicken with the wing sauce on it too. So all of this, you wouldn't have to do any of this stuff. But when this is done and I start adding the wing sauce to it and the honey, you would do the same thing with your fried popcorn chicken. It's up to you. A lot of times, a lot of taco places, you know, like they'll either, you know, saute the fish for a fish taco or they'll bread the fish. I know a lot of places are serving Nashville hot chicken. So the Nashville hot chicken will be breaded in a taco. If it's a Nashville hot chicken taco or a Nashville hot chicken burrito. Buffalo chicken wings, you can either get them boneless buffalo chicken wings, or you can get grilled chicken like this, the buffalo style. So that's totally up to you. If you go to like a pizza place up here, you might get a buffalo chicken pizza. Sometimes it's breaded chicken, and sometimes it's just grilled chicken. So You could grill the chicken too, just the same way with all the spices on it. If you grill the chicken, my recommendation is to add some red hot and marinate it for a little while in just the plain red hot, not the wing sauce because the butter burns, but just regular red hot or Tabasco or Sriracha. And then you grill it. Flavor's incredible. So I'm going to cover this and let this saute for a little bit. This chicken is done. So I'm going to pour out the excess chicken juice, chicken water. And now I'm going to add my homemade buffalo chicken wing sauce. Like I said, you could use any bottled chicken wing sauce you want, buffalo style chicken wing sauce. Go ahead and add this in there. I'm going to add this honey. Now you don't have to add honey to your tacos or your burritos, but it really makes the flavor, that little bit of sweetness really has it. And we're gonna top it with some hot honey on top. So you could use Mike's hot honey, or this is Wegmans hot honey. All right, let's mix this all up. Look at that. Smells so good. All right, so here we go. Here's our buffalo chicken taco meat, already all cooked up. Now all we have to do is put together a nice burrito for ourselves. Or let's do a taco first. First we'll do just a taco. All right, so this was sprayed with that butter spray. I got this on hot. This is off, so that's okay. I'm gonna take a little piece and taste it with the sauce on. Oh, this is really good. This is great. This is a great brand. Mission's good too. These are corn tortillas from La Banditerita. This is a lot of restaurants use this brand for their corn tortilla tacos. This is gluten-free. Everything here is gluten-free. Those corn tortillas are gluten-free. The burritos will be flour burritos, so those won't be gluten-free. But everything except those flour burrito wrappers will be gluten-free. All right, so this is how I like to heat up my corn tortillas. I like to put some butter down, and then I put that down on top. And then I sizzle it up. Let's put this down to medium so it doesn't burn. I don't want it to burn. I just want it to be nice and sizzly on both sides. I'm going to put some of this buffalo style chip dip on my burrito. It's like a sour cream. It's like a buffalo style sour cream. Oh, look at that. Looks good. All right, we got this. I'm going to turn it up a little higher. Nice and golden brown. Keep that cooking up like that. My plate right here, ready to roll. I think I got all my toppings ready. I got my Buffalo Cheetos. You could use Flamin' Hot Cheetos, or you can use regular Cheetos, or you can use the jalapeno cheddar Cheetos. Any of those will be good. Ooh, yeah. Sizzle this up. Add a little more butter. There we go. chip dip ready for me. I got my blue cheese. We're going to be putting that on there. Get that ready. Alright, these are almost ready. Let's give it another flip. Yeah, they're looking good. Looking good in the neighborhood, they say. Alright, those are good. You really just need them warmed up a bit. There you go. I like them nice and brown. So I double stack those tortillas like that. Let's get some blue cheese on here. Go ahead and spread that on. Let's get some of this sour cream buffalo style wing dip on there. Oh, that looks good. Let's get some chicken on there. Look at that. That chicken wing meat. You can even drizzle a little more sauce on top if you want. We're gonna throw on some cheese, some Fiesta cheese. You could use Monterey Jack shredded cheese. You can use anything you want, but cheddar always goes good with buffalo chicken. I got some shredded carrots, raw. I got some celery chopped up. My little veggies. So I got some shredded carrots, celery. And now I just gotta put a couple of these Cheetos on there, and we'll give it a nice taste. Oh, look at that! All right. So I'm gonna make the burritos the same way as I made this, same exact way, only they're bigger. But let's go ahead and give it a nice little taste. Oh wait, no, forgot. I gotta put some hot honey on top. Oh, just drizzle a little right on there. There we go. This, my friend, is what you call the ultimate buffalo chicken taco or burrito if you're using a burrito wrapper, which I will be doing with Cheetos, Buffalo Cheetos in it. That is delicious. Delicious. Always try your ultimate buffalo chicken burritos. Make sure you get a nice piece of chicken and stuff. What do you think, Emmett? Is it solid? Is it like this is the best buffalo chicken burrito ever? You can't stop eating it? What do you think, Wyatt?
It's amazing.
How does this compare to like the Cheeto carne asada burrito or this? Which one's better?
This.
Oh, it's awesome. Thanks.